Welcome back to the Stock Chart Report. So, 3 key levels for Bitcoin that you want to watch closely. Number one, obviously, you're going to want to see it break through that, but the 3 key levels are going to be right here. You got 79,017. That's going to be a key level. You have 8, this notch right here in the mountainside, 82,837. And then you have this one right here, 85,827. And there might be one in between 82 and 85. But for me, I would be looking at those 3. You might be able to find one more right here, 84,209. So if you wanted a 4th one, that would be it. But to me, if it gets to 82,837, it's going to get to 83. If it can get through 83, it's going to 85. And that's probably going to be the high side of 85. And then we can see from there, does it fall back down or is it going to run all the way back into the 90s and the 95s? In which case you want to look at 90, 92, and 95. Okay, so that would be the next 3 after 85 would be 90, 92, and 95. Those are the key levels. One more time. I'm going to give them to you one more time. So you're looking at 79,017.34. Looking at the notch in the mountainside, which gets us up out of the mud, 82,837, and then you're looking for 85,827, which is it's going to be the high side of that 85 number, and that's going to be pretty much top, right? Then if it's going to break through a second time from there, you're looking in the 90s. So you're looking at low 90s. Then you're looking at 92, and then you're looking at 95. And you can see 90 and 363, 95 and 200, right? So most of the time when it's seeking levels, it's seeking them at the flat number, at the 200 to 300 range, at the 500 midway range, at the 750 to 800 range, and then at the flat number again, right? Or slightly over. So you can break it up like that as well, right? So we're looking at it. That's the low range. That's the flat number, the 79.17. That's the 82.837. So that's the 82 3/4 range. That's the high end of 82. That's the 85.827. So that's the high end of 85. Then you're looking at 90. That's the 90 1/4, right? 90.362. And then we just saw right there. There's the high end, 99, and there was the mid one, 92.6. So 92.5, right? So they tend to be in that way, 91.4, right? So it tends to either be the flat number, the quarter of a way there, the halfway there, or the 3/4 of the way there. Give or take $100, right? So there's the 95 1/4, 95,200, right? So again, I'm looking for those levels specifically, the 79,017, the 82,837, that to me is going to be high end. Then it's going to get 85,827, that's the top of that range. Then we're looking at the new range after that, if it keeps going, is going to be 90,363, and it's going to be 92,059, and it's going to be 95,200, right? So that's the 6 levels in a row if it continues to run bull after it gets past the 85. If it fails here, it's going to go right back down the mountainside again. So that would mean this is going to have to turn into a head and shoulders. I don't think that's the case. There's the shoulder. This would become the head. I think what's actually going to happen is we're going to see this nice cliffside edge reversal, and it's going to work its way back in. And then we're gravy train in that 88 right there. That's where we got to worry. But once we're in the 90, we're going for all-time highs at that point. All right.